In this video, I will show you how to use filters on Zoom on a laptop. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm here on Zoom now. I'm using the Zoom app, but if you prefer to use the web-based version of Zoom, then just follow along as these steps are the same. So once you've gone ahead and open up Zoom and you've logged into your account, what you're going to want to do is click onto your settings. So if you come up to this gear icon up here, give that a click, and this is going to bring up the settings window. Now, what you want to do from here is come over to the left-hand side, and you want to click onto the backgrounds and effects option, which is down here. And as you can see, it's going to bring up a ton of different filters as well as some virtual backgrounds. So what you can do is play about with these and you can change your filters. As you can see, there's some different kind of colors that get added, but you can also add things like these fun sort of filters here. So you've got like theater, something like this, or like this one and this one. And you can also add virtual backgrounds. So if you want to get rid of your backgrounds, what you can do is choose ones from here. So you can blur the background, you can add this background of San Francisco, you've got grass, beach. Some of them, they might not be supported on your system, it just depends. But yeah, that's pretty much how you go ahead and add filters on Zoom. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.